Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. I just filmed a video on how to use this new face mask template set. Small, medium, and large. It's fantastic. These templates are so thick, so easy. No more cutting out patterns, pinning them on, cutting them out with scissors. It's amazing. Simply grab your fabric, right sides together. You'll need two fabrics, one for the front, one for the back. I love this part. We'll just use our rotary cutter. You don't need those scissors. We'll cut all the way around our shape. Everything is so precise. Of course, to make it even faster, you could be using a spinning mat if you have one of those, or just rotate the mat around. But I just love how now everything is perfect. I literally lift this up and take it to the sewing machine. I have 2 layers of fabric. Now, I've also discovered for the small template, it works perfectly with layer cakes. The Kimberbell Basics, so fun for little ones, or maybe you have a really small face where you're going to be able to use one layer cake piece for the front and another piece for the back. And in that layer cake, of course, you have 40 pieces. So that's a total of 20 masks in there. I love it. Anyway, it's a longer video. I go into all of the things about just the clever ways to attach the elastic, and maybe making a tuck to make it fit even more perfectly for your face. So be sure to join me on the longer video. I know we're all still making face masks. They are a part of our new reality, and let's just have fun with that and just kind of embrace it and, you know, use amazing fabric so that we actually maybe enjoy the beauty of what some of these fabrics offer. New batiks, printed cottons, as well as solids, of course. So join me on the full video and tag a friend. You know, maybe someone needs some inspiration, or maybe they've just been a little nervous about making their own face mask. I will talk you through the whole process, and I'll see you over on the full video.